Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house is located in the quiet and sought-after neighborhood of Bellaire in Runaway Bay. The property has a breathtaking view of the ocean, and has approval for a 6-bedroom layout. It is in close proximity to schools, hospital, public beaches, and is approximately 30 minutes from the town of Ocho Rios. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $31.5 million or US $204,600. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.